Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Etova-ER 600 tablet. Will cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by IPCA Laboratories Ltd. Etova-ER 600 tablet. Uses. Etova-ER 600 tablet is used to treat a variety of conditions related to pain and inflammation. These include arthritis, muscle pain, fever, menstrual cramps, and even postoperative pain. Benefits. This medicine belongs to a class of drugs called NSAIDs, or nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Etova-ER 600 works by blocking pain signals in the brain, providing fast and effective relief. It helps you return to your daily routine with less discomfort and improve quality of life. Side effects. While Etova-ER 600 is effective, it may cause some side effects in certain individuals. Common ones include nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, dizziness, and drowsiness. Always consult your doctor if these symptoms become serious or persist. How to use. Etova-ER 600 should always be taken exactly as prescribed. Swallow the tablet whole, don't chew or crush it, and always take it with food to minimize stomach upset. How it works. So, how does Etova-ER 600 actually work? It blocks the release of certain chemical messengers that cause pain and swelling in the body. This makes it highly effective in treating arthritis and muscle conditions.